Hi there, folks. Today I will be showing you how you can add the Hyper-V hypervisor to your own personal Microsoft Windows desktop. In this case, I'm using Windows 10. You can use Windows 11 and previous versions, but ideally Windows 10 and up is what you'd like to use. Today, just because the older versions of Windows Workstation are no longer supported by Microsoft. Anywho, so in order for us to enable this hypervisor, Hyper-V, which is built into Microsoft Windows, the way that you probably would like to do it is clicking in your Start menu. You can type CON to get to your control panel, open up control panel, click here on Install a Program, and then click on Turn Windows Features On or Off. This will bring you to the Windows Features pop-up, and what we're looking for here is the Hyper-V folder. In this case, Hyper-V includes Hyper-V management tools as well as the platform, and the platform is the hypervisor. That is what's going to allow us to create VMs and so forth. So to enable this feature set, we need to actually select the whole Hyper-V top folder and then press the OK button. Now that we pressed OK, Windows is going to automatically find the required files that are needed to install this feature set. It will then use those files to deploy Hyper-V and the Hyper-V management toolset to our Windows workstation. This process doesn't take very long. Depending on the hardware, it might take 1 minute to say 5 minutes. But at the end of the day, not very long. And once this change is implemented, we will need to restart our workstation as required by Microsoft, and that requirement will be shown on the screen as soon as our status bar reaches the end. So in just a minute or so, we should see that the process has completed and a restart is required. We can go ahead and close our control panel and sit here and watch the status bar. Alright, so Windows has completed requested changes, so that means Hyper-V has been enabled. However, in order for Hyper-V to actually function properly, we need to restart our workstation. So when you're ready, click the Restart Now button and let your machine restart. Alright, folks, so now that you have restarted, we can go ahead and look for Hyper-V Manager. Here it is, by just typing Hyper-V or Hyper even into the Start menu or the search box. I just pressed Enter. You can click on that there, and you will now see that you have the hypervisor installed in your Windows 10, in this case workstation, and are able to create and host virtual machines on your workstation. Thank you. We'll go into how to create and so forth in another video.